The setup and maintenance of your indoor growing machine and germination system is based around three simple elements: light, water, and air. The lights for the indoor growing machine will be on a timer, usually from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. They need to run for 7 hours continually. The lights for the germination system need to be turned on manually. They should stay on for the duration of the time that seedlings are growing. There are 2 reservoirs of water located below the germination system. They will provide water for both systems. The top tank is a fill tank and is open on the top to allow chlorine in the tap water to dissipate. This is where you will fill water as well as balance the pH. The bottom tank is the stock tank. You will balance the nutrients in this tank. There are 2 aeration systems running continually in both of the water tanks. They should not require any maintenance. The process starts by selecting the amount of rock wool cubes to be planted and place in a black tray. There are 200 pods in each section. Fully wet the rock wool cubes in cold water. Drain the excess water. Using a number 2 pencil, create small depressions in the center of each cube. Plant 1 seed per cube, ensuring that the seed is slightly below the top of the cube height. Remove rock wool cubes from black trays by cutting into manageable sections and placing in germination system. Plants will remain in the germination system for about 2 weeks. The germination system is a flood and drain system that will automatically water the seedlings. The light should stay on continually. After 2 weeks in the germination system, the plants should be transferred to the growing machine to mature. Separate plants into individual rock wool pods. Place each plant into an individual PVC tube within a panel of the machine. Ensure that roots are not pinched and are able to reach the water inside the panel. Also make sure the cube is flush with the top of the tube. Check that the light is on the correct timer and that the water is connected and on. The plant should stay in the machine for about 2 weeks to mature. Once the plants have reached a desired size, it's time to harvest and eat. Cut plant at top of stem, retaining the leaves. Remove rock wool cubes and place in compost. Ensure that panels are free of debris, including roots and cubes. Rinse plants using food-safe practices. Finally, enjoy. To ensure success, please remember these weekly maintenance steps. Refill water to desired volume below any incoming tubes in top tank. Check pH in the top tank and add pH down as needed. Check nutrients in the bottom tank and add nutrients as needed. Finally, inspect the unit, including lights, water tubes, pumps, panels, and plants. If your machine is on a weekly rotation schedule, every week will include planting new seeds, transplanting 2-week-old seedlings from the germination system into panels on the machine, and harvesting mature plants.